Assalamu alaikum viewers, how all are you? Hope you all are fine and well, inshallah. Viewers, medicine is actually not available in the shape of capsules, injections or a tablet. We have many God gifted medicines around us, like exercise is a medicine, fasting is a medicine, unconditional love toward any human being is a medicine, quitting junk food is a medicine, meditation is a medicine, friends are medicine, positive attitude is a medicine, nature is a medicine, love is a medicine, laughing is a medicine, vegetable and fruits are medicine, sleep is a medicine, sunlight is a medicine, listening, speaking and sharing is a medicine, detoxification is medicine. You must have heard that there is a medicine for every disease in the world, but we have to understand in what form this medicine is. So be healthy and be happy.